Dick looks ready. Wind is really blowing. Okay, Dick says he's going to do a touch and go. Okay, Dick said he's proved he could do it.
Bob Bailey is off with his Ryan ST. I just lost my hat. It's really windy up. Bob is from Auburn, Washington. Bob's going to do a loop-de-loop for us. There he goes. And a good wind too. Oh, I lost him. Okay, Bob's going to make an overshoot here. And then he's going to land, he says. What engine you got, Bob? Bob's got a Sato 125 in here for power. He's going to come in for a landing now. Pretty windy up. Going to go around. We're just doing test flights this morning. The contest hasn't started yet. It's Saturday morning in East Wenatchee, Washington. The first annual Wenatchee Red Apple Flyers Scale Masters Qualifier. Good one, Bob. Okay, Gene Lafond, our contest director, is in position. He's the mastermind for this first annual Red Apple Flyers Apple Blossom Festival Scale Masters Qualifier. That's a big mouthful, but that's what it is. We're going to thank Gene for doing this for us. Okay, beautiful. Penetrates good. Gene's flying his RV, tried and true, on a flyby. I got to talking, I missed Gene's landing. Very good. Jeremy Firstman taxiing into position with his championship Tiger Moth. A championship winner in the United States and in Canada.
Yeah.
It's really windy out. He's in the air. Rolly Worsfold is on his way. 1/3 scale Cub with an OS 4-cylinder engine. He's in the air. Jeremy's coming in. Oh, he's down. Flyby for Rolly. The wind is really howling. Overshoot for Rolly. Okay, Rolly's approaching the runway. Oh! Yeah, it's touch and go, touch and go. Okay, Rolly's coming in for his landing.
It's in the Paul Allen collection.
Looks good, Rolly, looks good. Just leave it right there. Oh, gorgeous. The best landing in the wind yet. Jim Hiller is flying his Piper PA-20. I think it's a Pacer, or a Clipper, Piper Clipper. And he's way up there. I don't know what he's going to do. Beautiful airplane. Well, Bob Racer's idea is no guts, no glory.
No guts, no glory, I guess.
So his 1.5 strutter is getting ready to fly. Wow, he's in the air. No guts, no glory, they say. His only airplane, his only competition airplane. It's time to turn, Bob. There he goes. That's his flyby. Randy Smithheiser setting up for his team scale flight with Jeremy Firstman. Electric. Best takeoff yet today.
Okay, when it gets here, I'm going to start.
Quiet flight. Boy, the wind's died down a little bit. Wow. Oh boy.
Wow.
Really windy up there. Full bore, he's hardly moving. Descending circle. Watch out for that cow! Okay, here goes a daring do, touch and go. No guts, no glory. Good so far. Good, good, he did it! Okay, Bob's coming in first landing. He's still all in one piece. Uh-oh. He hit hard. Okay, Jeremy's coming in with the team scale for Randy Smithheiser. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Wing Walker Rolly doing the duty for Rick Dunn. Hey, Rick Dunn on his takeoff. First flight for him on Saturday. He's in the air. Okay, Rick's coming down into the wind here. Flyby looks like.
I just need something to run through there.
So we got a beautiful PT-19 coming up. Starting his figure 8. Now he's got to go upwind. He's got to come back real fast, make a real tight turn. Wow. Yeah, we all missed that. Okay. Mike Richardson doing the walkout. Famous photographer way back. Beautiful takeoff of the PT-19. Looks like Bob Turhoon flying his JC Cub. That's a correction. This is Bob Turhoon flying his PT-19. Good job. Okay, Dunn is climbing up into the wind. It's really blowing now. Rick Dunn had a repair job. The tent blew over on his plane earlier, and he had to fix the landing gear and a tear in his fuselage. But it's in the air again. Turhoon just came out of a roll. Boy, oh boy. Okay, Rick Dunn's coming in. Touch and go. Okay, Rick's coming home. Whoops. Good one, Rick. Good one. He's down. Keep that. Don't let that wind get you. Oh, he's down. Great. That must have been a flyby. Down. Mike Richardson taxiing out for his first flight Saturday. Come on, Mike, get her off. He's in the air. He made it. This is June. Look at the snow up there. Nice one, Mike.